In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password in Zoho CRM. Now, whether you've simply decided it's time for a change, or you've been prompted for security reasons, resetting your password is essential for safeguarding your account information. Updating your password not only bolsters the security of your account, but also ensures that you remain in control of your data within Zoho CRM. So, let's dive right into the process. To start off, the first thing you'll need to do is log into your Zoho CRM account. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, you should find yourself on the Zoho CRM dashboard. Now, direct your focus towards the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice your profile icon. Clicking on this icon is your gateway to managing various aspects of your account. After clicking on your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select the option labeled My Account. This selection will redirect you to the Zoho Accounts page, where you can access a variety of account settings and options to tailor your user experience. Once you're on the Zoho Accounts page, shift your attention to the sidebar menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a section titled Security. Click on it to expand more options related to your account's security settings. This section is where you can manage password changes and enhance your account's overall security framework. Now, within the security settings, you'll see an option labeled Change Password. Go ahead and click on it. This is where the actual process of resetting your password begins. You'll be directed to a screen where you can enter your current password and set a new one. Start by entering your current password. This step acts as a verification measure to ensure that you're authorized to make changes to the account. Once you've correctly filled in the current password, move on to the next field where you will enter your new password. Be sure to choose a password that's strong and unique, mixing upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters. After you've input your new password, take a moment to enter it again in the field below. This confirmation step ensures that there are no typing errors and that the password you've selected is precisely what you intend it to be. Accuracy here is key to avoid any issues when logging in next time. With both the new password fields filled out, the final step is to click on the Save button. This action will update your password in the system, completing the reset process. You'll receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully changed. And there you have it. Your Zoho CRM password has been reset, and your account is now secured with a fresh set of credentials. Remember, a robust password is a fundamental part of maintaining your account's security, so consider making it a habit to update your password regularly. Thank you for watching, and I hope you